Can you deposit cash into a Relay bank account? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can you deposit cash into a Relay bank account? Hook. I know that this can be a confusing question because Relay is a digital bank that doesn't have any physical branches. So, how do you deposit cash if you don't have a bank branch to go to? Context. Before I answer that question, let's take a step back and talk about what Relay is. Relay is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Relay is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking experience. Answer. So, back to the original question, can you deposit cash into a Relay bank account? The answer is yes, but there are a few different ways to do it. Method 1. Use a Relay ATM. Relay has a network of ATMs that you can use to deposit cash into your account. To find an ATM near you, you can use the Relay app or website. Method 2. Use a partner bank. Relay has partnered with a number of banks, so you can deposit cash into your account at any of their branches. To find a partner bank near you, you can use the Relay app or website. Method 3. Use a mobile check deposit. You can also deposit cash into your account using the Relay app. To do this, you'll need to take a picture of your check and upload it to the app. Method 4. Use a cash deposit envelope. If you don't have access to an ATM or a partner bank, you can request a cash deposit envelope from Relay. You can then fill out the envelope and mail it to Relay. Conclusion. As you can see, there are a number of ways to deposit cash into a Relay bank account. Relay is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking experience. Outro. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Relay, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.